of suspense.
Yeah, just a phantom anthem. Travel in a trio, or maybe just some random. It's random. Find one, take your grandson for ransom. Got him with his hands all in the cookie jar. Playing hooky, getting drunk. Later on, took your car. Solar mischief till infinity. Got a bone to pick. Type of phantom will forever remain on your shit list. The other one get good advice. Well dressed, real nice. Knows your work, sets the price. Keep you out the hood for life. Think that would suffice, but really it's just the beginning. Third one got you drunk and high, running around here chasing women. Wife wonder how you diss fam and disgrace the children. Dude is wired like that, still in all case building. Tracks, double tracks, shorties with the bubble facts. I can rumble, trouble jack, phantom set another track. Bet your life double that, think you're having fun in fact. Slipping one too many times, may not be no coming back. Never let it happen. Use your phone, tell side chick, get the packing. Other phantom, write it all down and get the rapping.
I fought a ghost in my apartment, he had too many hit points. He bested me and told me I should have invested in Bitcoin. And then he lit joints and offered me a Fanta can. He drove a Phantom, then he started singing Fantagram. Well damn, I'm like, isn't this convenient? It didn't take a genius to sniff it as something fiendish. He introduced himself and said, what's your name? For the next 4 days, we played the Exquisite Corpse game. I sold my soul to him for some new high tops. Told the Phantom guide my hand and I drew Cyclops. The best wrestlers get possessed to do high spots. Hey, I stayed toasting and smoking new sci-fi, yeah. My man was kinda the best ghost. He gifted me a new rap book that's probably a death note. He was the homie though, we shared the same virtues. He showed me his soul once, now only wear church shoes. Turned out he wasn't dead, just very fatigued. My apologies, I buried the lead. I'm real bad at telling stories, y'all. Probably should've told y'all from the beginning that he wasn't really dead.
The Phantoms. Yeah, I used to hop the 3 train, always out for more racks, smoke blunts with danger, trouble at my doorstep, stared deaf in the face, left him with the sore neck. The devil himself can't resist the raw dialect, clash with the titans, rob stores with Lucifer, seduce the temptress, street some with Medusa. The Phantoms, they surround me like Dolby sound, like they seen a live nigga in a ghost town. Never was afraid of the dark, I was goody, man. I learned early, the boogeyman is fam. They say I'm evil, and my mind is twisted. I say I'm godly, my lines is wicked. Haley Joe Osment, I see fake niggas, grave diggers, goons, trolls, shapeshifters. I always feel like somebody watching me, slaying demons on the rag, shotgun with Constantine.
Fuck a phantom, I'm fed up with phony fantasies, fake fugazi fantasies, fam. We fought for family, foes feeling free to forge confetti and fame. They fabricate is fascinating, like a Frank Frazetta frame. Fools falsify facts, friends figure it's fine. They fail to fix the fraudulent and formulate a Frankenstein for real. You focus fuzzy like footage to the flash. Or the first pharaoh fossil found, fetch a flash, force it down fast. Cause flood's in the forecast, you don't know a fraction, forget the half follow. Your financial future's finished, phantoms got you free falling for females, the fish for the fictitious.
in the Czech Republic, standing on the balcony nude. I pass a bar for making art that I'll be able to clear. I'm told if I don't shave my head, then it might hurt my career. I wrote too much to memorize all my lines. I'm scared to share my thoughts, people get mad at me for changing my mind. If now I'm in the game, why is it so hard to find a teammate? Everything that's showing is a sequel or a remake. And every kid that's on the bus got the same kicks. Not only that, but got the same dreams and the same wish. Shit that used to be black and white is getting orange. Shit that used to be a Lawrence getting boring. I thought they loved me for my bars and my hooks. It turns out they love me cause of where I'm from and how I look. I never felt so sane. Success and failure never felt so same. It feels so strange.
away from my original muse. The very soil on which he learned to conquer Mario 3. Build a fire and outmaneuver any market, a beast. I speak an alien target, New York amassing his tongue. The vibe is basically Martian, they smell the jack in his blood. I ain't the kind that use New York as a crutch. I use the force of the bunk, enjoy the work and earn my portion of mush. On a tour of the wild frontier, lying awake. I tell myself it's all the broad of my societal take. And while I sorta still believe it, I'd be lying if I didn't admit I'd like to curl up on Long Island and die. It's not a science, nomads crash land, ain't see whether badlands or in back of the plaid pantry. Stick a flag and the claim don't fade. Find shelter and await old age. It feels so strange.
I'm not complaining though. I got the Contra spray with Cupid's arrows hitting shit I wasn't even aiming for. It's entertainment, even shit that people hate me for. That's what they pay me for. Yo, and honestly, my fuck-ups turn to gold so much the thought of fucking up don't even bother me. So I keep it auto when I'm stepping through a portal. I know that sounds strange, but strange beats normal.
I'm not complaining, no, that's the way the daisy grow. We hide away and try to make the best of what's available. My older homies think I'm kinda sorta schizo. I feel the same as y'all, but don't consider it an issue. We can openly embrace it or be trained to mostly tiptoe. Where shame becomes a staple in the nature of the crypto. That's a baseball through your window, a road trip in your shawarma. I know it sounds strange, but strange beats normal.